Hello everyone, welcome. To this video I'm gonna show you how to create Rain Minecraft into 3D Max through particle simulation. It is 3 steps. Step 1, I have to find a model of village of Minecraft, and step 2, I will teach you, and step 3 is you can find any scene of Minecraft village and something in Sketchfab and enjoy. So here's my 3D village of Minecraft. Now I have to open Particle PF. I drag it up. Let's open two tools, Gravity and Deflector. Now let's open Particle View. So everything's fine, but I don't need speed and rotation. I just have to add in a few opation. For example, like material dynamic under birth, shape instance under position ISO. You need force and collision. I have to adjust the times. Your end time should be 130. So I go to setting material dynamic. Now for this, I click M to open material editor and I make it a standard, and I make it blue. I drag it in none, click OK. Now for position ISO, we need a shape. That shape is the object of Rain Minecraft. It's a box and drag along like that. And the textures must be like this material that I chose it in particle view. Now I go back to particle view. Position ISO is good. Click it and choose this little line box that is look like Rain Minecraft shape, and scale should to be 100, and for rotation it's not gonna be problem. For example, I write it 20. Remember, it should to be 20 for particle animation. Now for force, I click add and choose gravity, and for collision click add and choose deflector. Now for display, go to type and make it geometry. Now your rays are here, and this is amazing, but it should to be little and more. Now let's watch it again. This is too speed and I don't want this be it. This is good. So I'm going to burst again and click it under 0. Yeah, this is amazing. Look like Minecraft rain. So let's go back to tutorial. I must click shift and copy material dynamic around there and drag it. Now for collision I install to event 2. Now I have to add some operation in this other event, like just shape, under material dynamic. And force, spam, collision, and last, delete. Go to shape and make it 3D cup. Now force, click add and choose gravity. For spam, click once and don't touch it. Go to collision, click add and choose UV selector. Go to delete and click by particle edge. I have a good idea for you. Look at this. You see it's too much rain and it's not gonna be deleted or removed under this ground. I have an idea for you. Go to particle view and add delete and drag it in event 1. Now watch it again and go into by particle edge. Click F4 to see well. Now setting this. This is perfect. And this problem is fixed. Now go to display and make it geometry. So now we have to work with two tools. First, gravity. For gravity, if you want to don't your rain simulation do not be very fast, you can make it 4, or if you make it too much it will be fast, or make it 2. Yes, this is so much fast. 21 is good for you, but I mean dot 21. Now for your deflector. Remember, before pick object around of this to this, first go to edit poly of this model and now I could to cut top of this object because the Ryan need to be splash and collide on this. Let's go for UD selector. I take pick object and I choose it. So I waiting for this. I go into UD reflector. You're gonna bounce it and right 4. I go into PF sources, click particle view, and shape must the size of this shape should to be little and small, or maybe 1. Now go back and watch it. This is amazing, but I want it to be more. The particle range simulation is ready, but it has just one problem. Go to spam and in offspring make it 7 or 8. I mean it's 7. I make it 7. Now let's watch it again. This is amazing and so much great. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel to watch more video about tutorials through this Max. And if you have two problems or some questions, just write in my comment channel. Just comment in my channel and tell me something. See you soon, guys.